How to cancel Gemini AI subscription. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So what you can do is basically access your Gemini AI and you should be having your plan subscribed, obviously. So right now I have not done, but you'll be finding option for upgrade if you have not. So you can just go and upgrade it. But if you'd like to cancel it, what you may do is once you are in the Gemini AI, look for this here and look out for this settings and help. Click on it and you'll be finding option called manage subscription here. So just go ahead and find it up, which will be available like this. So go ahead and find this option called manage subscription and go ahead and click on it. And after you do so, you will be taken to their settings with a subscription option and option called cancel membership. So let me just drop down this option right here called cancel membership. Just go ahead and drop it down, and when you do, you'll be finding option for cancel. Just go ahead and click on that option. And then after that, you just need to confirm yourself. Click on cancel membership and confirm it. And once it is confirmed, your Google AI Gemini subscription will be canceled. So that is the way you can do so. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.